Welcome to the online demonstration for Wildfire Connections wireless video surveillance camera systems. What you're looking at now is a live shot of our software that operates our cameras. We're going to give you just a quick demonstration today of the functionality of the pan tilt zoom cameras. You're looking at a typical 9-camera setup right now. Now we're looking at the single frame, and we're going to activate the pan tilt zoom function here just so you can see how the camera operates. You'll see this is located on the back of City Hall. You can see the cameras will turn 360 degrees. The only thing that would hinder them would be the pole that they're mounted on. But now we're going to show you the zoom capabilities. This is a car lot across the street behind City Hall, and you can see if the customer is wanting the police department to have a look at what may be going on in that wash bay, you can see the types of view that we can get, and you can see the distance away that the camera is. Now we're going to take another look at the post office so you can see from that distance what you can see as far as vehicle recognition, facial recognition, types of people that go in and out of the post office. So this will give you from the distance that we're talking about the type of resolution that you can get from these cameras. And you can see that's a long way away. So now let's take a look at another one of our areas. Now this is one of our ballparks, and we're going to show you a couple of the zoom functions here as well. You can see this is mounted between the football field and baseball field, and just going to kind of show you zooming in and out, panning left and right, just the types of utilities that these pan tilt zooms give you. Now these can be set up as fixed cameras, looking at the same thing 24/7. Then they can become utility cameras, such as this. If you've got an issue with this door here with vandalism, you can set it on that. Or you can set these cameras to tour, to set different presets. This is one that is also in the same park. This will give you the idea of the 360 degree zoom. You can see that's the pole that it's mounted on. But we can look at the 360 degree turn that the camera has. Now these cameras can be set up with multiple presets to walk through and tour the property. They can have up to 64 stops, but these are great utility cameras that can be used. Now moving into the downtown area, I'm going to give you some other utilities here. This is one of the restaurants in downtown. Get you a good shot of the front door. They normally have a sandwich board there that the local police chief likes to see what the specials are, so I give him a hard time about utilizing the cameras for that. So now we're kind of panning through part of the downtown square, and we'll be able to show you the types of resolution that these cameras will give you as far as license plate recognition. Now you can see we've got this truck here, and you can clear as day tell what that license plate is, and you can see the distance that we're talking about. That is a utility that this camera would have. Now moving to the other side of the square, this will give you another idea of a utility. If the police chief has an issue maybe with a particular business on possibly illegal activity going on, he can look, zoom the camera in, zoom it out. Once he finds what he wants to do, then he can let that camera go back to work. So now we're back onto the 9-camera system. So this is just a quick demonstration of the camera system that Wildfire Connections operates, and this will conclude the online demonstration.